Which Topdon motorcycle scanner should you buy? Shocking differences revealed. Before we kick things off, here's a quick but important copyright disclaimer to keep everything fair and square. This video is purely for educational and informational purposes. All demonstrations, reviews, and discussions here aim to help mechanics, technicians, enthusiasts, and learners understand motorcycle diagnostics and tools better. We respect all copyrights, trademarks, and brand names mentioned. They belong to their rightful owners. All media and references are used under fair use for commentary and review only. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and local laws when working on vehicles. Hey everyone, welcome back to Baabji Motors, your friendly garage on the internet where we talk diagnostics, repairs, and everything in between. Let me ask you, if you had to choose one motorcycle diagnostic tool from Topdon's latest lineup, the TopScan Moto, ArtiDiag Moto, or the UltraDiag Moto, which one would you pick and why? Do you already know which of these supports over 80 motorcycle brands? If you think you know the answer, drop your guess in the comments right now. Let's see who gets it right. And while you're at it, don't forget to smash that like button, and let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within 24 hours. Subscribe to Baabji Motors right now. Ring that bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you find this helpful, share it with your fellow riders. And hey, don't forget to leave a super thanks if you feel we've earned it. It helps more than you know. All right, let's dive right in. So here's the big news. Topdon Technology recently dropped not one, not two, but three amazing motorcycle diagnostic scanners that are shaking up the market. The TopScan Moto, the ArtiDiag Moto, and the mighty UltraDiag Moto. Each of these tools is designed for a specific type of rider or shop, from casual weekend warriors to full-blown professional workshops. And today, we're going to unpack their features, compare them in detail, and figure out which one is right for you. Let me start by giving you a big picture view. The TopScan Moto is the smallest and most portable, a Bluetooth-enabled scanner that works with your smartphone. The ArtiDiag Moto steps it up a notch, offering a compact standalone tablet-style scanner for small shops or serious DIYers. And then you've got the UltraDiag Moto, a beast of a machine with a big screen, massive coverage, advanced bidirectional controls, and features even professional garages would drool over. Sounds interesting, right? Well, let's dig deeper. Let's talk about the TopScan Moto first, the smallest and lightest of the bunch. This little gadget is perfect for DIY riders and casual motorcycle enthusiasts who want something easy, portable, and effective. It's a Bluetooth-enabled scan tool that works through a dedicated smartphone app available for both iOS and Android. Just plug the TopScan Moto into your bike, connect it to your phone, and voila, you're diagnosing like a pro. It supports 7 major Japanese brands including Honda, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and Yamaha, plus premium brands like Harley-Davidson, Ducati, and BMW. You can read and clear fault codes, perform system scans, and do essential resets, all from your phone screen. It's so compact you can literally carry in your tank bag or even a jacket pocket, making it perfect for on-the-go diagnostics. Oh, and you get 1 year of free software updates included, which is always a bonus. So if you're someone who just wants to check codes and perform basic maintenance checks without lugging around heavy equipment, this is your buddy. Next up, let's look at the ArtiDiag Moto. Now we're stepping into serious territory. This one is designed for small workshops or riders who want a professional-grade tool without spending a fortune. It's a standalone scanner, meaning you don't need a separate phone or app. It comes with a neat, compact 5-inch touchscreen, runs on Android 11, and has diagnostics coverage for 15 of the biggest motorcycle brands, including heavyweights like Honda, Yamaha, BMW, Harley-Davidson, and Suzuki. You get full system diagnostics, live data monitoring, ECU diagnostics, service reset functions, and it even guides you through the process step by step. It comes with all the essential cables you'll need, packaged in a sturdy carrying case. Battery? A respectable 3,350 milliamp hours that'll easily last through several bikes. And yes, you also get 1 year of free software updates. If you're a small shop owner or a serious rider who likes doing your own maintenance, this is a fantastic choice. And finally, the king of the hill, the UltraDiag Moto. This is Topdon's most advanced motorcycle scanner yet, designed for professional shops or serious technicians who work on multiple bikes every day. It offers full system diagnostics for more than 80 motorcycle brands. Yes, you heard that right, 80. You also get comprehensive maintenance services, bidirectional control to actively test and control components, and support for advanced functions like bank angle sensor calibration and VIN writing. It comes with a gorgeous 8-inch touchscreen, a massive 10,000 milliamp hours battery, and a robust set of 28 motorcycle cables to cover just about every scenario. It even guides you with DLC locations and cable instructions, making your job faster and easier. And, of course, you get 1 year of free software updates included. If you're running a busy garage or want to offer premium diagnostic services, this is the one to beat. To summarize, if you're a casual rider who just wants something portable, go for the TopScan Moto. If you're a small shop or serious DIYer who wants more coverage and a standalone device, choose the ArtiDiag Moto. And if you want full professional power and universal coverage, the UltraDiag Moto is worth every penny. Now, before we move on, here's your friendly mid-video reminder. If you've made it this far, you clearly care about learning and improving your skills. So, why not help us reach 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours? It takes just a second to hit that like button, and while you're at it, leave your opinion in the comments. Which of these 3 would you choose and why? And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, so you never miss out on more honest, hands-on reviews and tips from Baabji Motors. Also, if this video is valuable to you, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps keep the channel running and allows me to keep bringing you these deep dives. So what's my take? Personally, I think the UltraDiag Moto is an absolute game changer for professional shops. Its massive brand coverage and advanced functions make it perfect for someone like me who wants no compromises. But honestly, all 3 are great tools for their intended users. What do you think? Which one would you pick for yourself? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to see if most of you lean towards the portability of the TopScan Moto, the balance of the ArtiDiag Moto, or the power of the UltraDiag Moto. Oh, and remember that question I asked at the beginning? Which of these tools supports over 80 motorcycle brands? If you guessed the UltraDiag Moto, then congratulations, you nailed it. And here's a fun fact before we wrap up. Did you know that the very first motorcycle diagnostic tool was developed in the early 1980s and could only test spark plug ignition systems? Look how far we've come. So, before you go, here's my final heartfelt request. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please hit that like button. Let's reach 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in 24 hours. Share this video with anyone who loves motorcycles and subscribe to Baabji Motors for more. Your support genuinely keeps this channel alive, and I can't thank you enough for being here. Drop your thoughts below, share your experiences with motorcycle diagnostics, and don't forget, happy riding and even happier diagnosing. See you in the next one.